Join me as I uncover the truth behind the torment in Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave. You won't believe what I discover. Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza was a renowned figure in the Islamic world, known for his extensive knowledge and contributions to the field of Islamic research and education. His literary works and lectures have inspired countless individuals, and his legacy continues to shape the minds of many to this day. But, as many of you may know, his story takes a darker turn, one that has left many with a haunting sense of curiosity. The reality of his grave's torment is a topic shrouded in mystery, and today, we're going to unravel the threads of this enigmatic tale. Azab ki Haqeeqat, or the reality of torment, is a concept often associated with the graves of pious individuals. It is believed that those who have led a righteous life are punished in their graves for their minor sins, so that they may enter paradise pure and free from any impurities. But in the case of Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza, the reality of his torment is a topic of much speculation and debate. Many have attempted to uncover the truth behind the strange occurrences surrounding his grave, but the mystery remains. The concept of Azab ki Haqeeqat is rooted in Islamic teachings, which state that the soul is punished for its deeds in the grave. This punishment is believed to be a means of purification, allowing the individual to enter the afterlife free from any defects. But what makes Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's case so unique is the sheer intensity of the torment said to be endured by his soul. Some believe that his grave is a manifestation of the spiritual struggle he faced during his lifetime, while others claim that it is a warning to those who would seek to follow in his footsteps. As we delve deeper into the mystery, we find ourselves surrounded by a multitude of theories and beliefs. Some claim that Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave is a hub of paranormal activity, with visitors reporting strange noises and unexplained occurrences. Others believe that his soul is being punished for some hidden wrongdoing, a sin so grave that it has led to his eternal torment. The truth, much like the man himself, remains an enigma. Many have attempted to visit his grave, hoping to catch a glimpse of the supernatural forces at work. Some have reported seeing strange lights or hearing disembodied voices, while others have experienced inexplicable feelings of dread or terror. The accounts are as varied as they are chilling, leaving us to wonder what secrets lie beyond the grave. In the following accounts, we'll explore some of the most terrifying and intriguing stories surrounding Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave. From mysterious apparitions to unexplained noises, we'll examine the evidence and hear from those who have braved the unknown. One account that stands out in particular is that of a group of visitors who claim to have seen Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's soul being punished in his grave. According to their testimony, they witnessed a dark, shadowy figure writhing in agony, tormented by unseen forces. The group was left shaken, and their lives were forever changed by the experience. Another account tells the story of a man who, driven by curiosity, decided to spend the night near Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave. As the night wore on, he began to hear strange noises, whispers, groans, and even what sounded like screams. The experience left him traumatized, and he was never the same again. As we continue to explore the mysteries surrounding Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave, we find ourselves faced with more questions than answers. What is the truth behind the torment? Is it a warning, a punishment, or something more? The answers, much like the man himself, remain elusive. As we conclude our journey into the haunting reality of Engineer Muhammad Ali Mirza's grave, we're left with a lingering sense of mystery and curiosity. The truth, much like the man himself, remains an enigma, a reminder that there is still so much we do not know, and perhaps, may never know. That's it for today, folks. If you have any thoughts or theories on the topic, please share them with us in the comments section below. And if you want to stay up to date with more intriguing stories and revelations, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.